So what's going on today?
Well, today the courts are hearing the arguments to overturn Prop 8.
How are you feeling today?
Sad, scared, shocked. I'm just disbelief that we're even here, that this is even an issue, that you got people spewing. You know, I keep asking, not one person's been able to answer, how does my son getting married threaten your marriage or your family? How? Not one person can answer that. They just go to stupid shit like, I hope I can say that word, but anyway. Stupid shit like, so should we make it legal for adults to have sex with children? It's like, lady, there's already a law in the books, it's called statutory rape. This has nothing to do with that. Answer me a question, and no one can answer it. How does my son's love and commitment to his partner threaten your marriage? The only thing that threatens your marriage is you. You. Get real. Why are you doing this? Why do you feel a need to hurt these people that are the kindest, most loving, generous people you've ever met? You know, I'm in shock, I'm in disbelief. I came in from southern Utah. My sons live here in San Francisco. They were married in June. And I don't know, being here, it's overwhelming, it's so auspicious, it's scary that 4 judges get to decide if they get to stay married or not. It's insane. It's absolutely insane.
How was your son's wedding day?
The wedding day was just surreal. It was amazing. It was just as amazing as this is scary and sickening. You know, so it's like, I don't know. What does anybody have to gain by taking that away from them? So it's hard. Sorry.
You can hear, you never hear when gay saying, we will take your kids. You never hear that?
I never have heard a gay person say they're going to take somebody's kids, no.
I hear a couple times when they yell,
You mean like
we will...
kidnap your kids?
No.
Adopt children?
Yeah, adopt.
What's wrong with adopting a child? It's better than living in a foster home.
Exact words. They are exact
Loving
words.
family.
Yeah, I know. But why? Why are they supposed to take my child? I didn't say anything about kidnap.
Well, how are they going to take your children?
A lot of ways. I see.
When you say I'm going to take your rights away, what about when you say you're going to take my rights away?
No. Nobody take your rights.
How are you not taking my rights away when you're not giving me the right to marry, which is my liberty and it's justice for me to be able to marry who I want to marry?
What would you like to say to children of gay and lesbian couples?
Just don't let anybody really take your family, rip it apart, and that nobody has the moral right to force their opinions on you.
Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Deuteronomy. Do you think people would choose to be discriminated against? In our country, we have the right to stand up because it's a democracy, and I'm standing up for what's right, for the Bible, and that we're Christians, and our country is built on Christianity. No one's hurting you. Think about the future. Stop thinking about being selfish. Not about you and gay. No one cares you're gay. I don't give a damn. But I care about my kids. I care about your kids. I care about the kids that you're going to adopt and around that crap, dude.
Never taken any drugs or smoked or anything. Like, half the people at my school have done that, and my parents, I don't know, they're pretty overprotective, so I would say there's no way that I'm not protected.
Being gay doesn't affect your ability to be parents.
How was it for you on your parents' wedding day?
I have to say it was one of the happiest days of my life, and I would have given up anything. Well, I will give up anything for them to get married, and they have been married, and it's just really exciting that they finally get what they deserve.
Yeah, and we're the future. Yeah. So I'm pretty confident that even if Prop 8 does pass in the future, we'll probably make it repealed.
Sister Maudlin Mascara. I'm with the Sisters of Perpetual Indulgence. We're a queer group of nuns that believe in promulgating joy and expiating guilt.
Wow.
No, these are my personal things. I'm a sister with the Sisters of Perpetual Indulgence. What's your religion? Christian? Well, I mean, are you Catholic, Baptist, non-denominational? Oh, that's great. So are we. We're also non-denominational. In our order, we actually have 2 practicing Catholic sisters.
Go, call the police!
Hate with hate. You have to fight hate with love.
Have you signed up to volunteer in case we need to go for another ballot initiative? What I'm doing is working for the Repeal Prop 8 campaign, and in case this Prop 8 is allowed to stand by the Supreme Court, we will be going for another ballot initiative to repeal it. So basically, we're getting people to sign up to volunteer and try to move forward from there. Right.
How many have you gotten signed yet?
Oh, 3,500 something so far.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. And next week we're going to start going county to county. There are some problems with this campaign, and the campaign has been unable to break out of its own cultural boundaries and reach out to the wider group. And that's the message that's missing. That's why we're here today, is trying to get our message of equality out to the wider scope of our society. Now, I'm not a gay man, I'm a straight man, but I believe in equal rights for all people. And that's my problem, is seeing this as an equal rights issue. I had gone to Indiana to work on the Obama campaign. We'd gone into the deepest hate-filled places and were able to make a change. We live in one of the most liberal parts of the United States, and yet we have been unable to make this particular change. What does that say about our community?
Do you think there needs to be more emphasis in getting out of particular comfort zones like San Francisco?
That's correct. We have to get out of our comfort zone. We have to go to places where we may not be welcome. We have to go to churches. We have to reach out into different, if this campaign is to be successful at all.